Hi all. In this video we are going to see how to calculate electricity bill for our home. And the second topic is safety audit. First let us see electricity bill calculation. That is how to calculate our electricity bill in a simple way and easy way. The objective is it is very easy to calculate electricity bill and tariff for electrical engineering students, but it is somewhat difficult or new to those who are new to this topic. Let us see an example that suppose a consumer consumes 1000 watts load per hour daily for 1 month and calculate the total energy bill of the consumer. If per unit rate, that is the cost of per unit is 9 rupees, then what will be the total cost we are going to calculate? The solution is we all know 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit, that is 1 unit is represented by 1 kilowatt hour. Similarly, so here it is given that 1000 watts of power, that is total kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watts into per day is taken as 24 hours, and for 1 month, that is 1 month is taken as 30 days. Therefore 1000 watts into 24 hours into 30 days, which is equivalent to 7,20,000 watts per hour, that is watts per hour. We want to convert it into units, that is then only we can calculate the total cost. 1 unit is equal to, we know that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Similarly 7,20,000 watt hour divided by 1000, that is watt hour is converted into kilowatt hour, which is equal to 720 units. Is equal to 720 units. The cost of per unit is 9 rupees. 9 rupees. That is 1 unit cost is equal to 9 rupees. Similarly, for 720 units, it is 6,480 rupees. Similarly, you can calculate for any kind of appliances, that is for individual fan, you can calculate individual fan by knowing its power rating, and by for individual lights, that is incandescent lamps or fluorescent lamps, individual power rating, if you know the rating of the particular device, you can calculate your total usage for 1 day or 1 hour or for per year, per month, you can calculate if you know the charges. As per in our Tamil Nadu, as per TNE Tangentco cost slab rate, for domestic users there will be different way of allotting cost. That is for first 100 units there is a free of cost, and for 100 to 200 you have to pay some amount of cost, and similarly for 300 to 200 to 300 and above 500 etc. for domestic purpose, and it is different for industrial purpose also. You can simply calculate this cost using some online websites. That is, if you see TNEB online, if you type TNEB online payment in Google, you will see this link. If you click into the link, you will get into another page, that is Tangentco page. In that you can pay an online payment through this web page, and here there is a bill calculator. In that you can calculate, that is select the what kind of user you are, that is you are a domestic user. If you are a domestic user, you can select this, and that is a payment is by monthly, and this is not necessary. And units, how much units you are consumed. That is, if you have consumed 720 units, then just enter 720 and calculate. That is, your cost is around 3,232 rupees for 720 consumption of units. Thank you. This is about electricity bill calculation. And the second topic is safety audit. That is, what is safety audit? That is, safety audit is nothing but, we all know what is electricity audit. That is, electricity audit is prediction of how the power is going to be consumed, or what are the changes or discrepancy in the losses of power. And similarly, what is the safety audit has to be done? That is a systematic, periodic and objective evaluation of the safety performance against the established safety standards. That is, safety standard is similarly safety standards is available or legal requirements is required. And verifying the existence and the implementation of elements of occupational safety and health system, and for verifying the system's ability to achieve defined safety objectives. There are different types of safety audit standards are available. That is similar like BW standards for electrical and electronic appliances. That is, 5-star rating is more preferable than 1-star or 2-star. Like that, here also some safety standards. That is national standards IS 14489 Code of Practice on Occupational Safety and Health Audit. And next one is OISD 145 Guidelines on Internal Safety Audits. Internal Safety Audits for British 5-star audit. Next one is what are some explanation regarding the standards. Safety audit is a risk management tool for any organization, and it can be an improvement tool for any organization. It is useful for both energy manager for during audit, that is during the time of safety audit, the operational approach. And these are the standards. And what has to be focused and what has not to be focused can be seen using this standards. Safety. This is about safety. Thus safety doesn't happen by accident. So prepare and prevent. Don't repair and repent. Thank you for watching this video.